We focus on the high-end residential and commercial clients, providing property maintenance and enhancements, as well as, the project-based work. Patios, hardscaping, drainage, excavation, site work, whatever you need, that's what we focus on. I'm Tyler Greenwood. I'm the owner at Greenwood Landscaping. I started Greenwood Landscaping in 2021. What draws me to landscaping is it's different. Nothing's the same every single day. It's just kind of all over the place and keeps you on your toes. We really value customer satisfaction. You want somebody to come home and be like, oh, my landscaper was here, everything looks great. For the maintenance side of things, a lot of people come to me with, my lawn guy didn't show up, or my grass is a foot tall, or whatever, and we kind of take over that. Project-based work, we get a lot of the crumbling foundations, or people are just looking to update stuff. Sometimes we'll do some tree line clearing back. And then there's drainage, water problems. And then there's the whole snow removal side of things. We're heavily focusing on the commercial snow removal and ice management. What sets Greenwood Landscaping apart is a lot of our customers have came back and said, you guys are here same day, every single week, we get reminders, we're prompt with it. I think that goes a long way with keeping people happy. I think the whole reason behind the recurring customers is strictly the quality and how they're taken care of.